Hello, this is Jason, and I'm at the Bang Chak BTS station, and I'm gonna walk up to the next BTS stop, heading towards Asok, Prampong, Panglo, the more center area of Bangkok. Very nice Mercedes, very nice. Couple Mercedes. Oh. And just going to show you guys like what kind of shops there are right here on Sukhumvit. We just saw the Punawiti stop between there and Bang Chak, and there really wasn't much going on there. So this one looks to have more stuff. Chicken, flower shop, Cafe Amazon, coffee shop, and a little coffee shop right next door that has not been put out of business. Nail studio, dental care. So already just in the first block had more stuff than Punawiti. This looks like a ton of stuff down that street with local shops. Want to get some little piggy banks and ducks, piggy ducks, piggy bank, duck banks. Tea shop. Wow, Thai massage, only $2.50 an hour out here. And the oil massage is $3.50. So that is $7 for Thai massage and about $10 an hour for an oil massage. That's actually really good. Food. Saudi Cop. And that place was, I think, about the same price. 7-Eleven. Yeah, I didn't even see a 7-Eleven between Punawiti and here. Ice cream shop. Bang Chak looks pretty good. In these side streets, looks like there's just a ton of little shops up and down the streets. Little like 3-4 story houses or apartments. Fruits, dragon fruits, 40 baht, a little over $1. A lot more going on out here. Bananas, $1 a bushel. And then on the other side of the road, it's all like condos. We've got Sukhumvit Hills. This one called Viva Garden Residence. That one looks kind of older. They got big balconies on them. They could be pretty big. We got a big one here. sign for it. But here we go. It is called the IDEO Sukhumvit 93. There's 7-Eleven. So this seems like a very livable area. Chicken, ducks. Looks good. 80 baht for a dish. It's like $1.20. Curry place. $40 a plate. It's a little over $1. Iced tea, Thai tea, all under $1. 19 baht. That's like 50 cents. Good prices. A lot of shops are just all written in Thai, so there's a lot less appealing to a tourist out here. It's a lot more local Thais. That's who they're marketing to, so the prices are better. Another massage place. Same prices, $7. Thai massage, $9 for oil massage. Some places still closed up because it's Monday. And Thais seem to like to take Mondays off. That's just like an office building. Bar and Grill. Get a burger for $7. Hot dog for $6. So still a little Western food place out here. Prices went up here. Thai massage $9, oil massage $12. And the third 7-Eleven we've passed. And then about halfway, there'll always be like a little crossover to get you to the other side. You never want to try to cross the road. You can't even get through there. You die. Another big condo. That says Ramada Residence. The Siamese, Sukhumvit 87. Pretty big building. Cafe. There's an international school, Wells International School, On Nut. So if you have kids, this could be a very expensive part of living here. The international schools are, what I've heard, could be up to like $30,000 a year or more. That's definitely something to consider. Prices came back down here. Burgers and pizza over there, pizza company. Some Western options. Here's your Mercedes-Benz dealer. People still balling uncontrollably out here. Another IDO building. Look at these windows, good size. IDO Moby. It's huge. It's like three buildings. And now there's a Burger King. Flame grilling since 1954. And now we are coming up on the On Nut BTS stop. This used to be about as far out as people would go on Nut, but now people are going out to Hunawiti or farther just to get as cheap as possible. But again, if you're like an expat and you plan on doing expat meetups and hanging out with other expats, if that's something you're interested in, then I don't think it'd be worth it, because you'd be taking the train down to 6-7 stops to Prompong, Soak, whatever, for meetups and going to hang out with people. Unless you just want to be totally immersed in the Thai lifestyle, and that's cool, then that would be an option. But this is very livable, I thought, between Bang Na and On Nut. This is the Century Movie Plaza. Movie theater. McDonald's. And the IDEO Verve. So that one was pretty good. I approve that BTS stop, Bang Na. So that's all I got for this one. There's another McDonald's across the street there. So thanks for watching, and check out the next one. Talk to you later. Take it easy.